Yay! Come on, go, go. Nandito kami ngayon sa Heaton Park. Masarap paglakad-lakad dito. Lalo na ngayon, medyo malamig, pero hindi naman umulan at umaraw. So, pwedeng mag-relax, pwedeng mag-jogging. Kaya lang kami, maglakad-lakad lang kami.
Restaurant?
Yeah.
Coffee?
Yeah. Kung gusto nyo magkape, meron silang restaurant dyan. Gusto nyo kumain, meron silang parang cafeteria. Okay.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. It's sunny. A bit cold. Pero kung may jacket ka naman, okay lang. Sophia. Maganda din dito pag may bike ka. Para maikot mo talaga ang buong park. Kasi ilang hektarya to? Sobrang laki nito. More than 100 hectares at ang Heaton Park. Palagi kami rito, lalo na nung maliit sa Sophia. At maganda din dito mamasyal pag yung talagang summer. Winter pa, kaya lang umaraw, hindi naman umulan, kaya talagang maganda lumabas, lalo na napasabay yung day off namin ni Hana. So Saturday pareha kaming day off, kaya pasyal-pasyal muna pag may time. Yun, talagang enjoy ni Sophia, oh.
Uy,
Don't break, Pinkay.
very fast! Oy!
Oh, be careful, don't do that. You're gonna fall.
From right to left, slowly.
Yun, ganyan lang. Take it easy.
It's like a skiing, right?
So I think we are heading towards pond, fish pond, right, Pinkay? Nalang? Kung hindi ako magkamali, may malaking pond doon. Kaya punta natin, baka magpapakain din tayo ng isda. Ng pato. Maraming mga pato doon. Sarap pakainin, nakakaalaw tingnan. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung park na to kasi bukod sa sobrang laki, this is the first park you ever took me.
I will find the pictures and we're gonna attach it. There was a...
My first time in UK,
Yeah, when you...
Hannah brought me here in this park.
Yeah.
So, talagang innocent pa si Japit Boy
Yeah.
sa
Young.
England.
Young.
I
I see.
wasn't young then. I was
Skinny.
already 33 years old.
Yeah, skinny.
Maganda talaga rito. Mayroon silang malaking pond na pwede kang mag-feed, pwede kang magpapakain ng mga pato, mga gansa.
Just wondering where the pictures. Where's the pictures?
I don't know.
Oh, I know, in the computer.
Yeah.
So
So,
this time there was no phone.
ito may cafeteria rito. Pwede ka rin kumain dito. Pwede ka rin magkape-kape rito.
Oh,
Maganda talagang araw. Talagang sumikat. Medyo malamig lang. Ice cream. So, Sophia daw gusto mag-ice cream. Pwede kang umupo rito. Pwede kang magkape-kape. Pwede kang kumain. Pwede kang mag-ice cream. Coffee. Yes, coffee please.
And you
Let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside para ma-enjoy natin yung cafeteria nila. And this is exit, darling. Busy. Ice cream. Ice cream? Ice cream for Sophia. Yes, kahit malamig, ice cream.
Watch, because it will. Ito dobre?
Good? Sa akin naman is kape. Kape ang sa akin. Kaya nawala. You don't like anything?
I had already coffee morning.
Huh?
I had coffee morning.
Talagang nag-i-enjoy dito si Hana sa park. Maganda talaga rito. Talagang fresh ang hangin. Ang sobrang lapad lang. Parang hindi mo kayang lakarin ng isang oras. Right? It's too big and busy the park. They have so many playgrounds for kids.
But it's super busy.
Yeah. So let's go over there. We'll find out what's over there. Aling?
I'm sorry.
Okay. So, do you feel cold now? No? Ang lakas sa Sophia pagdating sa lamig. Talagang malamig ang panahon pero nag-ice cream pa.
And you see, Mark, if you don't chip.
No? Okay, there's a garbage truck.
I should close on my ear when I'm riding
Yeah. Ganda rito pag Sabado kasi ang daming pamilya na pumupunta. Pero pag mga ordinary days, yung mga weekdays ay parang boring ang park na to kasi walang pumupunta. Bihira. So pag mga Saturday at Sunday, dahil nga halos sa mga parents walang pasok, so dinadala nila rito yung kanilang mga pamilya, lalo na pag summer. At ngayon din, dahil uminit, hindi umulan, kaya maganda ipasyal yung pamilya. Sa sobrang lawak ng park, hindi mo kayang lakarin ng isang oras to. May get isang oras mong lakarin to. Pero okay din at kahit pa paano mag-exercise, lakad-lakad. Hindi mo kailangan mag-jogging para mag-exercise. Ito, Sophia nag-enjoy ng kanyang scooter. May bike ito dati, Sophia, dalawang bike nito. Kaya lang ang bilis ng panahon. Ang bilis niyang lumaki kaya pinamigay namin yung bike niya. Dalawa yung bike niya pinamigay namin. Kaya kasi masyado nang malaki. Masyado nang maliit sa kanya yung bike niya. Kaya kailangan niya na yung bike na pang adults. Tingnan mo, parang magkasing tangkad na sila ni Hana. Okay. Wow, jogging ha? Alright, okay, Pinkay.
No, mommy just took pictures of me, so
Yeah?
it's really bad.
Squirrel, right? We really walk a lot, almost more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
And this is the first time that we really covered all the
Roads.
Hitton Parks. Corners of the Hitton Parks. So almost 2.5 hours walking. And maganda yung Hitton Park. Meron silang palaruan para sa mga bata. At pwede niyong dalhin yung mga anak niyo rito maglaro doon sa palaruan ng mga bata.
think that the last piece is there. We need to go there.
Yeah. And then fish pond. Ang laki ng fish pond nila.
Fish pond without fish.
No, there is a lot of fish there.
Maybe.
Yeah. They just like don't allow anyone to fish. But there's a lot of fishes there. And then sa laki ng park talagang pwede kang mag-exercise dito, mag-jogging. At lalo na pag itong panahon maganda, may araw, hindi umulan.
Oh, I wanna go on the wall.
Diba? May mga nangangabayo nga rin. Tingnan nyo, may nangangabayo. Maganda talaga ang Hitton Park. Ayan. So yan, Hitton Park. Horse. Yun, di ba? Laki ng kabayo, ang taba ng kabayo. Alagang alaga. Yeah! Tigidig, 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 tigidig.
Oh, I wanna go.
Okay. So we really finished from the start. Dito kami nag-start. Diyan kami nag-start. Andun yung car park. So diyan kami nag-start. Talagang inikot namin yung buong Hitton Park. So mga 2 hours and 30 minutes. Hindi naman masyadong mabilis ang lakad. Ang katamtaman lang yung ganitong lakad. Kaya talagang nag-enjoy kami. So sa mga Pilipino na nandito sa Manchester, Junanshe, bisitahin niyo yung Hitton Park, lalo na pag summer. Maganda rito. Alam ko na puntahan niyo na yung Hitton Park. So pag-try nyo yung ikutin yung buong Hitton Park.
It's so good. Today I didn't get hit.
So yun.
Huh? And you are the only one Filipino in the park.
Yeah. I did not see any Filipino here. Yan. So saan tayo ngayon? Where are we going now, darling?
I think home.
Home? That's it?
That's it.
Another ice cream.
Another ice cream? No. This cold pink eye, please.
Okay, let's go here.
Okay. So welcome to Hitton Park. Ang dami ng tao doon sa pinanggalingan namin doon sa car park. Okay, let's go.
I thought you were taking me for another ice cream.
Enough ice cream for you. It's too cold. Okay.